So it's a little bit of a Food Network moment here. All of a sudden, I'm freaking out because we had zucchini flowers like we've always had zucchini flowers. All of a sudden, they're like potato chips. And no secret whatsoever, eh? None. Yeah, I started going on with cornstarch and rice flour and, you know, some, I don't know, David Rocco oil. Nothing. Delicious. Hey, try one. I want to hear this.
Ready?
Yeah. Beautiful. Thanks for coming. Pare come Jack Nicholson. Ma, pare come Jack Nicholson. Conosci Jack Nicholson? Perfect. Spadafora Picnic 2022. We had barbecue going. Let's make a smash burger, okay? 100% chuck, apply pressure. That's why they call it a smash burger. Look at that. Hit it generously with some salt and pepper. Once those onions get all caramelized, they're gonna go on the other top side of the burger. So wait a second here. You know it's ready when you hear that sound, and that's what you want. You want that char. Can you do that? These onions, Sal, we're gonna put them on top now, because that side's cooked. Remember this cheese? Is it really cheese, Sal? Who knows what it is?
I don't know. Some plastic, I think.
But this is what makes this burger. As much as you think you want to start using the best cheddar possible, get that going right there. A Martin's potato roll. This is a mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise blend. Put it on the bottom of the bun. Put it on the top of the bun. Got it? There it is. Bottom of the bun. And what makes this burger what it is 3 to 4 beautiful thin dill pickles. I like to add a little bit more. Top it. There's your Spadafora Smash Burger here at the Veneto Centre 2022. My cinematographer, professional cameraman Sal and my cousin. Smash Burgers Spadafora style. Oh, it's okay. Look. Hi. See ya.
got me.
You got it. Kevin M.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is called the YouTube channel. It's about a YouTube channel.
We're making YouTube Smash Burgers.
I got my favorite peeps around me, and I got my favorite shirts. Again, I'm not Stanley Tucci. I'm Frank Mazzuca FamilyStyle. We're gonna make this a smash burger. Come a little closer here. Ready? And listen to the sizzle.
Free facial.
What that does is takes that nice chuck and smashes it down. We're gonna season it.
Now, while that's cooking,
We want to make sure that we find a tong. Thanks. And we just caramelize those onions while that's cooking, because it's gonna build a crust. Can you say that, kids? A crust.
crust.
A crust. And then ready? Make sure that's seared. Go in there. Are you ready for this magical stir? Oh yeah. So now while that's searing, we like to just get our caramelized onions. We like to use the finest. Is that aged cheddar? This is aged. This is the 25-month aged Balderson cheddar. It's actually made with soluble oils, right? But
we wanted like, oh, why can't we use real cheddar? Because real cheddar doesn't work, Vincent.
so this thing.
That's how you get rid of your cheese allergy.
Yeah,
there we go.
that is
Try
it. Yeah, Vince, you like cheese, don't you?
It's my favorite.
Oh, Vincent loves
Especially
cheese.
the one that's
Look at,
Munchkin style.
can you just get a little closer? Check the sheet on that varnish. That's all food. That's all food varnish is mustard, relish, and ketchup. It almost looks like cheese whiz, but it's not. There's that cheese word, Vincent. Move it around, move it around.
What are you making, Frank?
Oh, Anna, go ahead.
Good question.
We're making another
Yeah, the camera.
my last smash burger for Allie, because she was getting all puppy dog eyes. I was for Thomas got one right there, I got one. And okay, a little bit of a tribute to.
Did you make one for Ona?
No, she had a turkey. So we've got these. These are, you know what these are, right? Just pickle in a bag.
Pickles? Oh, in the bag.
Yeah,
Oh.
those non-refrigerated type, but it's the real salty, dilly version. And then we got it here on a Martin soft roll.
There you have it. There you have it. There you have it. Okay?
Is that yours out? Me and Anthony are sharing. Thanks, Frank.
Stay tuned
Take a
next
bite out,
week.
you're
We're
not
gonna do polenta alla Vicentina.
Thank you.